My name is Rosalind Conry, and today I will be demonstrating my code written for Project 2, task number 1. My code will make my robot move to 2 hard-coded goals, and then afterwards it will start logging the position of the robot. I have my RViz, my gazebo, and my terminal open, and I'm about to launch my launch file. You can see immediately the robot starts to move towards its goal. Once it reaches the first goal, it takes a little bit of a turn and then proceeds to the second goal. Once it gets itself situated, it will start logging the position rather than going towards any goals. If we give it a 2D nav goal, then we will be able to see the changes in logging of position. And then it also shows us that it has a plan in that same terminal because that is part of the launch file. Thank you and have a nice day.